Hello! The topic of my today's presentation is energy efficacy in the core of Sagoma system. Resource economy is the most important consideration that concerns people when it takes to buy or maintenance of their own accommodation. Last European news about implementation of new technologies without hydrocarbons, new restrictions concerning air emissions will lead to higher prices of utilities. Such request poses a definite task for architects. In order to design and construct such buildings, they have to apply new technologies, which are in turn sufficiently expensive. But private client is usually limited in money and try to spare everywhere, especially on designs. So he usually buys out-of-date design because of low price and hardly ever ready to pay extra money for modern design and new technologies, especially as the future profit isn't so clear. As a matter of fact, after house is ready, if one checks it by thermograph, there will be much enough red spots on the screen. That means it has leaky warm points. Why is it happens this way? People merely don't know what to choose. They don't have enough information about preferences of different systems and how they have to look like. This dilemma could be solved by new program, Sagoma system, where it has been collected a number of different elements. Every element in catalog is perfectly thought over, has average price, characteristics and represented in 3D picture. So client can choose the best suited for him and order us all construction documentation accordingly chosen elements. The first catalog was collected in 2014. Later we made attempt to allocate it on the site, but the representation was poor. Nevertheless, I successfully used it in work with clients. Last year I initiated new attempt to put catalog on the web again, and with new drawing and program tools it is going to succeed. So now client has the possibility to get new house accordingly his own wishes and considerations, with vast numbers of different elements and with neatly accomplished junctions of materials. Every element was proved in real construction, and client will not depend on the experience of architect, especially when it concerns conjugations of details. Moreover, client gets the possibility to control construction by himself, thanks to full set of project documentation that could provide designs.